Here at the NRA trade show, we're highlighting our Energy Star models for the Manitowoc Food Service Group, our ice machines. For our ice machines, there's three different tier levels of energy efficiency. There's Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. Tier 1 is good efficiency, Tier 2 better, Tier 3 is the best. That's the ultra efficient models. At the display we have here today, we have 97% of our models meet Tier 1 or better. Tier 1 is going to be the national requirement in the year 2010 for the U.S. 97% or more of our models meet that minimum requirement. Tier 2 and Tier 3 are Energy Star qualified models. We have over 38 models that meet Energy Star requirements, meet or exceed. Today, some of our models we have listed all here. We have undercounters all the way up to our larger remote models that are Energy Star qualified. The Energy Star symbol is a government-backed symbol for energy efficiency. You'll see it on each of our models. What's the difference in cost for an Energy Star model, or the savings? The difference between Tier 1 and Tier 3, that can mean about $200 a year in energy savings alone for a typical restaurateur. So it's real savings when you calculate over the life of the equipment. From 8 to 10 years, up to 10 years, that can mean $2,000 in energy savings alone. Why is energy savings important to a restaurateur? Restaurants consume, in the retail world, the largest of a commercial building. They consume the most energy, 5 times more per square foot than any other commercial building they consume with energy. A typical average restaurant consumes 500,000 kilowatts per year, 800,000 gallons of water. So you're talking a large energy consumer and water consumer, and an ice machine that you have, if you have an energy efficient ice machine, can serve those valuable resources and help reduce your expenses. So thanks for joining us here at the NRA and checking out our Energy Star models.